Hello guys, welcome back to another video of V.I Tech Academy. My name is Ratul and I'm your host of today's video. In this video, we are going to learn the second step of GoldWave. In the last video of GoldWave, we have discussed about how to download and install the GoldWave. Now in this video, we will learn how to set up your GoldWave for your recordings. Friends, before doing the recordings or before doing any tasks using GoldWave, you must do some important settings so that you can use GoldWave very well. Number one, you have to install NVIDIA add-on if you're using NVIDIA or JAWS script if you're using JAWS. Both things can be found on our official Telegram channel, so don't forget to join our Telegram channel. The link is given in the video description below as well as at the about page of the channel. Friends, before starting the video, I have a great news for you. If you want to support us directly, you can join us as a member and enjoy exclusive benefits. If you join us as a member, you can enjoy early access videos and much more. Thank you all those who have already joined us as a member. Membership starts at 29 rupees only. Click on the join button to learn more. I have already installed the GoldWave, so let me open it.
GoldWave 16 of 22. Go control record new button.
As I said, first of all, you have to install the GoldWave NVIDIA add-on. So the add-on can be found on our official Telegram channel, as well as you can download this add-on from NVIDIA add-on store. Now, after opening the GoldWave, you need to go to Preference submenu. To go to Preference submenu, press F11 key from your keyboard.
Control properties dialog. Tab control. Play tab selected.
So this is a multi-page or multi-tab dialog box. Now my focus is on
Play tab focus
Play
selected.
tab. To change the focus, always you need to come to here and press either Ctrl plus tab or Ctrl plus shift tab, or you can use left arrow, right arrow. We need to work on 2-3 tabs, so I already told you before starting or before doing anything so that you can remember and I will not repeat. Okay, so now we will start setting up GoldWave for our recordings. Now I'm in the Play tab. Within the Play tab, let's find the options. I'm pressing tab.
Play property page. Play 1 grouping combo box all collapsed.
Now Play 1, Play 2 and Play 3. These are major play features of GoldWave. You can customize as per your requirement. Play 1, by default it is selected all in the sense, if you click on Play 1, I will tell you how you can use this. If you click on Play 1, then your total files will be played. Let's suppose if you have a file of 10 minutes and if you click on Play All, it will start playing from 0 seconds and end at 10 minutes. If you want, you can change it from this combo box. To access this combo box, you can use up arrow or down arrow and then press tab to go to next. Do not need to press enter or any other key. So I'm pressing down arrow. Selection, which means only the selected part will be played. Those who don't know about the selection, please wait. We will come to that part in our GoldWave tutorials. For that, you can subscribe to our channel.
Unselected,
which means those parts are unselected.
Continue to finish,
which means let's suppose you have a 10 minutes audio and you selected from 3 minutes to 5 minutes. So that if you click on play 1, so it will be start playing from 6 minutes and continue till the end of the audio. As per your choice, you can choose.
Continue to end.
Continue to end. View.
View to end. View. Continue unselected.
So
Select
I'm just
all.
choosing the default. Now I'm pressing tab.
Loop. Checkbox not checked.
Loop. If you want to use loop, so you can check this box checked. Now what do you mean by this loop? Loop means once you click on play once it's finished, it will start playing again. It will go under a loop. So now I'm pressing tab.
Edit selected 10.
So this edit box is for how many times you want the loop. If you check the checkbox of loop, then only you need to select the duration, not duration, select the times, how many times you want to play the loop. Moving to next, I'm pressing tab.
Play to grouping combo
Play
box
to.
selection collapsed.
So by default, selection is selected. If you want, you can change it. Similar options are available for play 2, play 3.
Loop. Checkbox not
Loop.
checked. Edit selected 10.
See, 10
Play
again.
3 grouping combo
Play
box
3
continue
again.
to end
Continue
collapsed.
to
Loop.
end.
Checkbox not
Loop.
edit selected 10. Fast/rewind speed grouping fast. Edit alt plus F selected 2.00.
So fast or rewind speed. When you fast your audio, how much speed you want? Double, triple, you can choose from this combo.
Rewind. Edit alt plus
Rewind.
R marker preview. Scrubbing grouping preview duration S. Edit
So-
selected 0.000.
Marker preview.
Combo box
Okay.
preview
You
marker
can-
when moved using keyboard only collapsed.
Okay, preview marker when you're moving using keyboard only. That is not so much beneficiary for us.
Skip grouping backward. Edit alt plus B selected 2.00.
Okay, this is a backward.
Forward. Edit alt plus W
Forward.
selected 5.00. OK button.
Then there is a OK button. But we do not click on OK button because there are more settings pending to do. So if you understood till now, just write yes, got it into the comment section. Now I'm pressing tab,
Cancel button.
tab,
Help button.
tab,
Tab control. Play tab
play
selected.
tab. So play tab has been finished. Next we will see, I'm pressing right arrow,
Record tab selected.
record tab, which is very important. So let's see what are the options available under the record tab. I'm pressing tab.
Record property page. Recording options grouping. Use new file duration. Checkbox not checked.
So use new file duration. When you take a new file for recording, it will ask you to choose a duration. Okay, this checkbox is for that.
Combo box collapsed. Edit selected 0
So you
10
can
0
select
0.
by default a duration. 10 seconds is selected for me, but for you, I hope 1 minute will be selected. So if you wish, you can change from here.
Dictation mode checkbox not checked.
So dictation mode is there, which I will tell you in another video. Let's move to the next.
Monitor input on visuals checkbox not checked.
Obviously, there is no use monitor input of visuals because we can't see
CTRL key safety checkbox not checked.
CTRL key, I mean control key safety. Okay, then
Set finish marker at stop checkbox
set
checked.
finish marker at stop. So when you are recording something, when you click on stop recording, finish marker will set at the end of your recording. Now you might ask the question, what is finish marker, what is start marker? We will discuss. So for that you have to watch all of our tutorials.
Show settings window checkbox not checked.
Show settings window. You should uncheck this box checked. Otherwise, when you start recording, a settings window will open, which might not good for you as per my own experience. I'm pressing tab.
Filter DC offset checkbox not
Tab.
checked. Auto save checkbox checked.
So you can check this box check.
Power down system checkbox not
Power
checked.
down system. Okay.
Delayed recording
Don't
grouping.
do
Timer
this.
checkbox not checked. Alt
So
plus
if you
T.
want to set up any timer, let's suppose 3 seconds or 5 seconds, which means after starting the recording, it will wait for that much of seconds, then it will start capturing your audio. I'm pressing tab.
Level activated checkbox not checked.
Tab.
Alt record mode grouping. Unbounded radio button
Yeah,
checked.
record mode. I have selected unbounded, but by default, you have to by default there is this option is selected. See, I'm pressing down arrow.
Bounded to selection radio button.
Bounded
checked.
to selection.
Bounded and loop radio
Okay,
button.
bounded
checked.
and loop. So bounded to selection will be checked by default. But you need to check this option.
Unbounded radio button.
Unbounded.
Checked.
Now what happens if you do not check this box checked or do not check this radio button? Then your timing will be limited. Okay. So it's better to choose unbounded. Then you can record for the unlimited time as per your storage capacity of your device in the sense of laptop or desktop. Now I am pressing tab.
OK button.
OK, again we will not do OK because we have another tab.
Cancel help button. Tab control.
So we
record
come
tab
back to
selected.
this multi-page tab or multi-tab dialog box and let's move to the next tab.
Visual tab selected.
Visual tab, that is nothing for us.
Device tab selected.
Yes, device. So here we will tell GoldWave, hey GoldWave, this is our input device and this is our output device. So GoldWave can understand better and we can have a wonderful experience with GoldWave. Now I'm pressing tab.
Device property page 60.46%. Playback grouping. Muting. Combo box speakers. USB audio device. 0EA0 collapse.
Tab.
Test button.
You can test the device. This is the output device.
Latency S. Edit
Latency.
selected 0.50.
So some latency are there. 0.5 seconds.
Alternative initialization checkbox notch quality.
Tab.
48,000 Hz
This is the
/ 2
quality. You
32.
can choose the
Combo
quality.
box
By
pair.
default, whatever quality is there, it's okay.
Combo box mute unselected collapsed.
Okay, next.
Record grouping. Combo box microphone. USB
Microphone.
condenser microphone.
As I am
0E60.
using USB condenser microphone, so I can select it. Those who don't have microphone, you can select Realtek so that it will work. Those have headphones with microphone, they can select according to their requirement, according to their device.
Test button.
Then you can test.
Volume. dB. Edit
Volume.
selected -4.37.
So volume do not change.
Combo box use device attributes
Okay.
collapse. Quality 48,000
Quality,
Hz
it's a recording
/
quality.
32.
Before,
Combo box share
whatever
collapse.
quality we have seen, that was output quality. Now this is
Quality 48,000 Hz / 1 / 32.
this is
Combo
for
box share
recording quality. Now I'm pressing tab again.
Joystick / pedal control.
No, I
Combo
don't
box
require.
mode. OK button.
Okay.
Cancel button.
Cancel.
Help button.
Help.
Tab control.
Let's see what
Device
are
tab
other
selected.
tabs available or not.
System tab selected.
System. Let's
System
see.
property page. Use core audio / Wasabi configure button.
Configure.
Information button.
So these are not
OK button.
required
Cancel
right
button.
now.
Help button. Tab. Help cancel button. OK button.
So once we are ready, we can click on OK button. We can press enter on OK button.
Control record new button.
So these are few settings which you have to do before using GoldWave. Those who are very new in GoldWave, please go and do all of these settings by watching this video and come back and say we have done or I am done. Please share what you have learned from this video into the comment section. If you find this content useful and if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button and share this video with your loved ones. If you first time listen to me, don't forget to subscribe to V.I Tech Academy and press the bell icon, choose all notifications so that you will never miss any upload. If you want to connect us, you can join our WhatsApp channel, Telegram channel, follow us on Facebook, Instagram and more. All links are given in the video description below. Those who are interested to join our online courses, they can visit our website from the About page of the channel. That's it for the day, guys. See you soon in the next tutorial. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you for watching this video. Bye everyone.